Animal Kingdom. Game 11, Introducing Animals. Materials required: Animal Kingdom cards. Objective: to introduce the names and facts about the animals in the set. Procedure: place all the cards showing the pictures and names of the animals. Pick one card, tell the name of the animal, and explain the facts about it to the child. The facts are provided on the other side of the card. Pick the card of kangaroo and tell the child, "This is a kangaroo. It has powerful legs, jumps high in the air, and carries its baby in the pouch." Pick the card of snake and tell the child, "This is a snake. Some snakes are poisonous. They have no legs and make a hissing sound." Pick the card of an eagle and tell the child, "This is an eagle. It has sharp eyesight, sharp beak, and powerful talons." Pick the card of a shark and tell the child, "This is a shark. It is a hunting fish, lives in oceans, and there are different types of sharks." Continue the game and introduce all the other animals on the cards. This can be done on the same day or the next day. Here is the list of the other animals in this game: flamingo, turtle, parrot, ostrich, walrus, peacock, crocodile, whale, monkey, giraffe, newt, bear, elephant, cheetah, frog, iguana, lion, rhinoceros, tortoise, deer, duck, sailfish.